Hello guys, welcome to my new video. This video is going to be a productive day in my life as a NEET aspirant. I have shown you guys this MCD list. The MCD list is very important and very helpful for our journey because this list means M means must do, the things you have to do, and the things which is very important you should write it in must do. And the C is stand for can do, the things you can able to do if you get time, so you should write it in can do. And the things don't do, you have to write in don't do means the things you don't have to do, so you should write it there. For example, if you don't want to use your phone more than 1 hour or 2 hour, you can write in that list, which help you and motivate you to don't do the things which have you written. So after this guys, I woke up at 7 a.m. But I didn't record because guys, I didn't able to record in the morning. It feels me little low and distracted, so I didn't literally record in the morning. After just studying physical chemistry, I started studying zoology and I started revising zoology. And guys, this is a clip of 17th of April, and 17th of April there is a lecture of physical chemistry and zoology. So I was revising physical chemistry and zoology. In physical chemistry, I studied prefix and their values, and I revised all the topics of physical chemistry and also learn atomic masses of 30 elements. So if you are also watching the online lecture of physics wala, so you know that what I am talking about. So after just revising this NCRT by zoology, I have started reading NCRT book. And guys, NCRT, this chapter, just this topic is not included in new NCRT, but there is a already PDF which I have given in the physics wala app. So I was just revising it from there. This is the topic which haven't included in the new NCRT. And some of you guys are asking that which edition I have brought. I have brought the new edition book. So yeah guys, and guys, reading NCRT is must because the questions made from the NCRT textbook and we should read it. It is really helpful in biology the most. So after just studying zoology, I have started revising botany because there was lecture of botany next day, so I was revising botany and preparing for the next day. If you are following the Rupesh sir in physics wala, so you know that sir has given us the list of revision, how to revise all the things in botany. So I was just following he's given schedule. So after just revising botany, I have started reading the NCRT of botany. And as I have said guys, reading of NCRT is must, so I always do reading of NCRT of botany and zoology first.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So guys, after just completing my revision of biology, I just took a break for almost 1.5 hours, and after just having a break, I have my lecture from 4 p.m. of zoology, because I am a student of Arjuna NEET 2025 from physics wala. So you know guys, there was a lecture from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So if you're also from this batch, please comment down guys. After just attending zoology lecture, we have some break, and after that break I have started studying my life physical chemistry lecture. So I was just studying, and you know guys, we played KBD, which means kaun banega doctor, and it makes us feel so motivating if we solve all the question. So after just having a physical chemistry lecture, I didn't study because you know guys, the time was almost 8, and after just having a physical chemistry lecture, we have some DPPs to solve. So I just solved all the DPPs. But this time this physical chemistry lecture was little tough, and I got almost 2 or 3 question of DPP wrong. So I just took aside this, and I started revising topic very well so that I can be able to solve all of them clearly. So guys, I'm not so fluent in English, because I don't have practice of speaking English so fluently with anyone. So sorry guys for my mistake, but I really do speak in English in my videos, because it really helpful, not only for me but also for you guys. If any of you don't know how to speak so fluent English, it will definitely help you and motivate you that guys, no one cares, but please do try to speak in English. It is really helpful for you guys, and guys, I apologize to you for it. Sorry.
I look away, but I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So that's all guys for today's, and I just want to say you guys, please study because it will be worth it in the future. So please study, and also guys, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. It makes me so motivated to make a more and more video and make you motivating. And guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you find this video motivating and helpful for you. And I just want to repeat that, please, if you have time, if you really feel importance, so please make MCD list. It will be worth it, so please make it. Do subscribe, like to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye.
Asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't